name's Aurora. Thank you for joining me. Hello everyone, my name is Aurora. It's nice to meet you. Welcome to the next in my series of lessons for anyone who would like to learn Russian. In this lesson we'll be learning all about numbers. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, in this lesson we're going to be looking at numbers up to 1000 and see what they are called in Russian. We'll only be looking at integer numbers, but don't worry, I'll be covering decimals and other interesting numbers in a different lesson. We'll have a little quiz at the end to see what you can remember, but don't forget, you can always pause or rewind the video at any point to go back to a number if you can't remember it. Are you ready? Let's get going. The good news is that Russia, like most countries in the world, uses a decimal numeral system. This is the standard system for integer and non-integer numbers. The main benefit of this is when you come to read digits, you should be able to recognize them straight away, unlike Russian letters which can look a bit strange when you try and read them. You will immediately recognize the digits when it's written in Russian. The only thing that you will need to learn are the words associated with the digits. Firstly, let's take a look at the numbers from 1 up to 10. 1 is called 1. 2 is 2. 3 is 3. 4 is 4. 5 is 5. 6 is 6. 7 is 7. 8 is 8. 9 is 9. 10 is 10. Let's run through those again and this time repeat the number aloud for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. I'd recommend going through these numbers again after the lesson till you're comfortable with them. For a bit of fun, you could even try counting from 10 down to 1. Next, let's look at the numbers from 11 to 19. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. Did you notice something when we went through those numbers? Hopefully you've noticed that the numbers 11 to 19 are simply formed by adding natsits to the numbers 1 to 9. For an example, 11 11 is simply 1 with natsit added to it. The remaining numbers are formed by a similar way to other languages. For an example, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, and so on. Then 30, 30, 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, and so on. This means that we only need to learn the following numbers and if necessary add the appropriate number between 1 and 9 to be able to count up to 100. 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100, 100. We can then continue on to 1000 using a similar process. 200, 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, 1000, 1000. Let's look at a few examples. 144 is 144. 369 is 369. 527 is 527, and so on. Remember, once you are comfortable with the basic numbers, you'll be able to count up to 1000 with ease. Oh, before I forget, there's a special number you ought to know too. This number is called 0, which is called 0. Let's recap the numbers once more before we move on to the quiz. Hopefully you've managed to remember some of the numbers we went through early in the lesson. If not, you can always rewind the video and take another look. I'll ask a few questions and let's see if you can get the answer correct. After asking a question, I'll wait for around 3 seconds before giving you the answer. If you need a little longer to work it out, just pause the video for a while and then restart it again when you're ready. If you're ready to start, let's go. Question 1. What is the Russian name for this number? Yes, it's the number 7. If you got it right, well done. Question 2. What is the Russian name for this number? Yes, it's the number 9. Did you get it right? Question 3. What is the Russian name for this number? Yes, the number 11. Well done if you got it right. Question 4. What number is this? Here, 4 is number 4. I'm sure you knew that one. Question 5. What is the Russian name for this number? Sorry, that one is a bit sneaky. It's actually 0, but you knew that, didn't you? Question 6. Can you work out what this number is? This one is a little tougher. Well done if you got 43. Question 7. Can you work out what this number is? The answer is 82. Super work if you got that. Question 8. What is the Russian name for this number? Yes, the answer to this one is 100. If you got that right, well done. Question 9. What is the Russian name for this number? You might have found this a little trickier. The answer to this is 871. Very well done if you got that correct. Question 10. And finally, what is the Russian name for this number? Yes, the answer to that is 1000. I hope you've enjoyed the short quiz. If you didn't get all the answers correct, why not try the quiz again and see if you can improve your score. Well, that's about it for this lesson. During this lesson we've gone through numbers 1 to 1,000. Hopefully you found it interesting and useful. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this lesson as much as I've enjoyed making it, and do look out for more language lessons from me. Check out my website and also my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you found this lesson useful. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Пока-пока!